Let's learn about dialyzer priming procedure. To remove air, residual chemicals like ethanol oxide, remove air bubbles from the dialyzer, connect the IV set to normal saline NS 1000 ml NS and lock it. Connect arterial blood lines to the dialyzers. Ensure connecting are tight and secure. First started connecting with artery. Connect artery line to the dialyzer. Put the artery chamber. Set the arterial blood pump from NS line to heparin line. Hang the arterial line. Connect the venous line. Connect the venous blood line to the dialyzer. Put the venous chamber, set the venous blood chambers, and end with a waste container or bucket. Take normal saline line. IV line, connect saline line to the arterial blood line on and take arterial line, push saline plus saline from the arterial line, clamp the arterial line, set pump speed is 150 to 180 for filling or flushing blood lines. Allow saline to flush arterial blood line. Flush the normal saline from the 150 blood pump speed. Push and remove air from the dialyzer. Connect the TP to machine. Remove air from the dialyzer. Continue flow through venous line into the waste container. Observe for air bubbles. Type lines gently to remove typed air, or push the artery side blood line to remove air and tap the dialyzer. Fill both artery and venous chamber with normal saline. Flush normal saline every blood lines, arterial side, venous side, and heparin line. Remove air and tap the dialyzer continuously to easily remove tap the air with the help of hand. Take 1000 ml NS for priming, 100 ml NS, 600 ml use for minimum 600 ml of normal saline use for priming, and the rest of the 400 ml for closing and during dialysis complication. Put the recirculation connect artery and venous line with the help of connector. Let's saline run until our air is removed from the dialyzer and lines usually 150 to 300 pump speed. Used take 1000 ml NS before priming. Minimum 600 to 800 ml of normal saline used for priming. Rest of the 400 ml NS during complications and closing the dialysis section. Remove air from the dialyzer. Tap the dialyzer. Push the arterial line to easily remove air from the dialyzer. Connect the counter current connect couplets to the dialyzer. Priming completed, air bubble removed, flush NS from the blood lines. Final check. Now that the priming is done, the system is safe for patient. Connect always double check before dialysis. If you found this helpful, please like, share.